See how easy it is to trade in markets. Again, I asked you to sell gold at 1630 today and buy at 1640. It failed to breach past 1640, traded bearish and see what it has achieved close to 1617 levels. At the same time, I asked you to buy US30 only above 32,250 and sell at 32,100 and 32,150 levels and see what it has achieved 32,930 levels. Likewise, US100 to sell was below 10,850 levels. Now, I hope you all profited, and that is why I say missing on to subscribe. This channel is missing on the profits. Now, this is the second video for the day. We will see gold, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start first with look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and towards the end Dow Jones. Now look at the hourly charts. It has got its resistance intact at 1635.40 zone. Since then it has traded bearish. This is gold. First we look into gold followed with Nasdaq and in the end Dow Jones. So yes, this is gold on the hourly chart and you can find it has breached the support at 1620. In fact, it has gone close to 1616 levels and see it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence probable pullback can be expected. How far it can go? There is a possibility for it to achieve first resistance at 1624.25, then the next resistance at 1628.30. Only beyond 1630 you can expect that we might see little more bullishness, else it may try to reverse again on the downside and hence one should remain cautious. The directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold, but see the oversold levels yesterday and still it is near to very near to the oversold levels at 70 minus and near to 20 levels. Look at the MACD. This is divergent and bearish, still looking downwards, but look at the levels here at -4, -6 and possibly from here it may try to converge a bit and hence little bit of bullishness can be expected. RSI oversold here too, and similarly if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts look at the candle size there, diminishing body size and possibly trading outside the Bollinger Bands and hence a little pullback till towards 1625, 28, 30. 30 is going to be a major resistance. Now see, it will try to create a channel of its own, and if you look at the channel here, it is trying to trade in this and hence the highs of this channel are at 1630-32 zone. Till the time it trades below 1640, every rise is an opportunity to sell. Be cautious with the rise. Yes, you can buy here and expect it to rise a little. With a stop loss at 1650, you can remain long. Directional movement bearish, stochastic near to oversold levels. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still showing the trend to further drop on the 2-hour charts and hence whatever it achieves in an hourly candle can be lost again in the next candle and hence you have to remain cautious. Stochastic oversold. On the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation, but remember after the retracement, see one red candle, little retracement, two red candles. Now this formation indicates that there could be a possibility of a third red candle with a tail out there, diminishing body and a tail. How far it can go? 1608 levels can be seen. See the moves here you should calculate, and if you see, very easy, 1628 to 1616, $12, 1638 to 1624.25, that is $13. So yes, almost same size, but there is a pullback, there is a tail, and hence probably here too it may try to give you a third red candle. There is a possibility exists and hence retracement till towards 1630 is a good opportunity to sell. Till above 1630 there could be a little more bullishness can be seen, but till 1630 every rise is an opportunity to sell. That is what it appears. You can encash on both the sides. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic trading at oversold levels. MACD divergent and bearish here, indicating further fall can be expected. RSI near to the bottom, and on the 4-hour charts too, likewise one red candle, see increasing body size, but see this, only 2 red candles, then a retracement, only 2 red candles, probably it may try to retrace a little. Let's be cautious there. Yes, a rise is expected already. See from 16, 19, 20 levels we had started this analysis and now trading at 1622, so it is showing the little strength. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish, it is looking downwards. There is a possibility that it may sustain this. RSI trading at bottom, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. Certainly it has shown a breakout here, and that is why 1635 levels are very important, and specifically 1630. These two levels are certainly very important. See how beautifully it has seen a rise. 1624 levels it has come. That is what we were talking about, that it may show you little strength, it may try to rise, you can remain long. That is what I had told you. 1624.25 already it has achieved. Now see this on the daily chart. 1630 level, certainly a very strong resistance level on the upside. It may try to attempt and achieve 1632, and then beyond that, if it breaks past 1630, certainly more bullishness can be expected, but only bullish confirmation is above 1640 levels. Remember this fact. So yes, you are long at 1620, expect it to retrace till towards 1632 zone, and at those levels we will see how it behaves. Probably it may continue with the bullish momentum from there, and then expect 3540. Bullish confirmation is only above 40. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. This is second red candle. It may sustain this. RSI near to the bottom there. Considering this, yes, it is trying to reverse here. But remember, till 1628, 30, 32. This is the zone where it is going to get maximum resistance. It may try to achieve this and can probably retrace from there. Now I am leaving up to you to find an opportunity when it reverses, to whether to remain short, or you can buy at 1632 and remain long. Expect 1635-40 levels. Beyond 40 it is going to fly high. Hence you need to remain cautious. 1624.25 first resistance, 1628.32 zone next resistance, and then beyond that it is going to fly high. So sell opportunity, you should only look at around 1632, which are the levels which you had seen today morning, below which if you see an opportunity, you can again try to initiate a short entry. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries and right exits at the right time, and the strategies to make profit, you can join my mentorship batch. 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Now one seat left, and who is going to be the lucky one? You can just immediately after this video, you can ping me out, and on my Telegram channel, or my email ID is both mentioned in the video and channel description. And also you can reach me out for joining my signals group. See how beautifully we have analyzed, how beautifully we have made profit in last 4 weeks. Thousands of pips, thousands of points across commodities indices. You can join the signals channel and profit too. Reach out to me for more details on trading or training on my Telegram or email IDs, both in the channel and video description. Now look at the Nasdaq 100 chart. See Nasdaq 100, sharper drop, retracement. We talked about this, the 10,950 is a good buy, but it is showing a reversal. See, since then it is traded and it failed to breach past 10,780, trying to rise a little. But look at the hourly charts. You can find out, see, this is the fall there. And now the next resistance zone is only going to be at 10,850. Beyond that, 10,880, 900, 920, 950. Only beyond 950 you can expect more bullishness. So you can buy there at 10,850, expect 10,880, 900, 920, 950 nearby resistances. Beyond 950, it is going to fly high till towards 11,050 levels. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD not indicative of anything. RSI oversold indicates that there could be a possibility of a reversal from here. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Rise, drop, retracement, drop, and now trying to rise. So yes, consider this for a good reversal. If it breaks beyond 10,900, 10,950 zone, consider this for a reversal. Beyond 10,950, it is going to achieve 11,040, 50, and in fact 11,100, 200 levels cannot be denied. See the highs of this channel, you can very clearly find out. See, this is an expanding triangle. Now if it tries to reverse, there is a possibility that it can fly high till towards 11,300. Only bullishness above 11,400 levels can be confirmed. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD divergent and bearish here, it can probably converge from here. RSI oversold indicating bearishness. And if you look at the 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, on the contrary, you must find the drop, retracement, drop, 2 red candles with increasing body size indicating increasing bearishness. Now it is tried to open flat and it is trying to reverse here. How far it can go? Now look at this here. See, now for the day, if you consider this on the 3-hour charts, 10,900, 920 levels are going to be prime resistance. There is a possibility that it can achieve this. On the downside, 10,850, 10,750, 10,700 are going to be prime support levels. Yes, as I told you in the morning also, below 10,850 50, you can expect 10,700 levels. 10,800 is the first support, 10,700 is the next support, and 10,650 is the next support. Below that, it may crash strongly till towards 10,500, 400. Direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI oversold, so extremely oversold on the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, likewise you will find 10,900, very good resistance. See, it is trading near to the bottom. 10,700 is a very good support. 10,700, 650 levels should come out for the rescue of Nasdaq 100. On the upside, 10,900, 920 levels you should be cautious of. Only about 10,950 it will show the bullishness. Then 11,050, 11,100 levels cannot be denied. Mark my words. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish, RSI oversold here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. And on the 4-hour chart, see couple of retracement candle, and this is the first breakout candle, and hence you have to remain cautious till towards 10,880, 920 zone. This is going to be the maximum resistance. If you see it trading about 10,950, nothing like that, stay long. 11,050, 11,100, 11,200 levels can be seen. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD divergent bearish, RSI oversold, and hence you can expect a little retracement. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see the previous bottom, the previous support levels at 10,700, very strong support lies here. And yes, it is reversed from there, possibility that it can achieve this and reverse again. So 10,700 to 11,100, this could be the possible trading zone, and it can show you swings again, and hence you have to remain cautious. Yes, buy at these levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. MACD has just crossed over on the daily charts. First red candle, and possibly it can continue to be a red candle itself. RSI looking downwards. Considering this, you can buy here at 10,800 levels, but then expect 10,880 and 920. Remember, this is the zone beyond which you can expect it to remain bullish, and specifically 10,950. If it breaks, it is going to fly high for 11,050, 11,100. On the downside, you can sell at 10,750. Below that, you can expect 10,700 as the first target. Below 10,700, you can expect it to drop sharply for 10,650 and below levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly charts, after taking a sharp dip, it is showing a reversal. Higher lows are seen. Possibly we may see higher highs. 30 to 100 levels cannot be denied, and that should be a good resistance. Only if it trades above 30 to 200, consider this bullish, else it may try to reverse again on the downside. Hence you have to remain cautious of 30 to 100, 150 zone. Beyond 30 to 150, certainly more bullishness to be seen. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards, entering oversold zone. MACD is bearish here, it is still divergent, and if you look at the RSI, this is trading oversold on the hourly charts. The possible retracement on the upside cannot be denied. Look at the 2-hour charts, increasing bearishness, but at the same time increasing candle size. Yes, it indicates that there could be a potential retracement on the upside. 30 to 100, 150 levels you should be cautious of. Only above 30 to 200, it will be confirmed as bullish, and it may fly high. Beyond 30 to 200, 30 to 400 is the target, and 30 to 600, this zone is going to be prime support zone or resistance zone for US 30 for any upside move. At the same time, trading below 31,900, you can sell and then expect it to drop more. So in between 31,900 to 32,050, rather I will say 32,020 itself, you should not take any position. Directional movement bearish, stochastic downwards, and MACD bearish, RSI oversold. Possible little retracement, but overall it is bearish. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, yes, on the 3-hour charts, the wick is done. On the downside, the support might come at 31,800 levels, which is a very strong support. On the upside, the target should be at around 32, 100, 150 levels, very strong resistance. Direction movement divergent and bearish, stochastic oversold, hence a potential rise is expected. MACD divergent bearish, RSI oversold. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, remember, after a little retracement, this is the first breakout candle. Even if it tries to rise, it may get resistance at 32, 100, 150, 32,200. Only above 3,200, it is going to fly high. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD divergent bearish, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts, below 31,900, and rather I will say below 31,800 levels, you can remain short on US 30, 31,700, 31,500 and below levels to be seen. Below that, we can expect a very sharp drop, which might take it till towards 31,400 levels. Be cautious. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here. and RSI is comfortable there. So yes, a retracement till towards 3200, 30,000 to 32,200 is possible, but then only beyond 32,250 consider it for a bullish movement, else it may again continue to trade on the downside. Hence you have to remain cautious, you have to remain alert. Yes, any break below 30,900 level should be considered bearish move. Then you can expect 30,800, 30,700. These are the two levels, and then 30,500. Very good support at 30,500. This is the next in support. Below that, we may see a very good fall, taking it till towards 31,000 also. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.